camera stay off to the right a little bit. You got it, you got it. Not gonna focus. It's trying to focus on your windshield. So he went to the right where this blue one's going.
So should I go up
and
there?
he went up and over. Yeah, but you just gotta hammer it and just.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
I don't think he meant to do that. Oh, he popped a tire.
Did he?
Yeah. He's probably gonna go give him a spare. His front right tire popped. It's
yeah, look at that.
Oh, dang. He doesn't know.
No, I don't think he knows.
That is steep. All right, we're giving Matt a turn behind the wheel. See what he's capable of.
Oh, jeez. Probably breaking it.
That's when this front camera comes in handy. When you're up or nose down, and you can't see anything, that's got your whole view. So on that part of there, I think they've all just been punching it to make it over. It's different driving in this, huh?
Yeah, it is. And like when you compare it to my 4Runner, especially throttle response, like I said.
Night and day difference.
Oh yeah. You barely tap the throttle on this thing and your turbos are already getting ready to go. Good thing we got that stealth wrap.
Don't worry about the paint. It's all protected.
Yeah, that front camera is super helpful.
So give it some power just at the bottom and just floor it and go.
Ready?
Yep. You got air.
Sorry, that was bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It was smooth, but I was like, crap, this is not my truck.
Oh, great. We have to pass through that. This guy's not gonna make it.
Here we go.
Keep your speed, buddy.
Oh man, and now they've dug a trench that you're just gonna drill.
Great. What do I do? Just floor it?
A little nervous. Oh, we got air for sure there. Oh my gosh. You can feel us leave the ground. We went flying.
Let's hope he makes it.
Oh my gosh.
See if we can make it higher than others.
Here we go. You got to get to the top track where it turned. Gosh, that is high. For it. A little more. Yeah, baby! Woo! Woo! Whoa! Let's go!
We got high on that one.
Yeah, we did.